Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a job using the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. So go ahead and use your login credentials to log into your account and you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to apply for any kind of job, you can simply tap on the Find Jobs button and you can type in your keywords for location, company, or position that you want to search for. After typing in your search query, you will receive various search results from which you can filter around and look for what kind of job you are interested in. If you don't find whatever you're looking for, you can also look at the various other pages and also use the filter option underneath the search box. Now, once you find any position that you're interested in, you can simply tap on this. And now you have the option to apply now for this position right away. Go ahead and tap on Apply Now. And now this will take you into an external site where you will be able to apply for that position. Go ahead and proceed with applying for the job. And you will simply need to fill up your full name, your phone number, and your email address, followed by your LinkedIn profile if you have one. Then within the Upload CV file, you can simply tap on the button and upload your CV file directly from the Indeed application. Finally, tap on the reCAPTCHA box to verify your human identity and then tap on the Apply Now button. And your application will officially be sent to the job that you just applied to. Now, after this process is done, you will receive a notification about the result within the Indeed application itself from the home page if you tap on the notification bell at the top right corner. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to apply for a job using the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.